everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to make a stretchable metal frame with Autodesk Inventor in just 4 minutes. Let's get started. Into the assembly file I will select a box and it will be my template. It's 800 by 1200. Extrude for 700 mm and save it. Okay. Let's select the beam and I will choose the ISO standard, the 50 by 50 by 2 mm, the square one, in steel. And I apply for each corner. That one are the legs and that one are the beams. Okay, and I save. As you can see, the frame is almost done, but we need to adjust some part, like the corner. With the miter command, I will do the 45 degrees for each corner. 45 and 45. But I need to adjust also the overlapping between the beam and the legs. And with the trim command, I select the beam and I cut up to this space. And I repeat the process for each corner. Also here, select the beam, trim command, face, apply. Beam, face, trim command, and apply. Yep. And the frame is complete. Double check that everything is correct and I save it. Once you finish, I can export the design into a WG file. I select the sheet A3 standard and import the object in all the views. The front views, side views, top views, and isometric views. Let me rotate in top right views, and I will start to apply the dimension. The 850 outside, 750 inside, 725 the total height, the length is 1250, the thickness of the beam is 50, and then once I finish all the dimension, I can save, export in the PDF and send to the factory. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Thank you.